Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P. If you are learning DevOps, Python, or machine learning, then this video gonna help you too much because here I'm going to share 5 active coupons from Udemy. Those are related to Git course, Python course, and machine learning course. So let's see what are the courses we are having in this video. First course you can see right here. It is related to Git and GitHub. That is a practical course which can help you from the beginner to advanced level. And this course content is having 6.5 hours of content. You can see the content here. It is divided into 8 sections and 28 lectures are there. So you can go through this one. Next course we are having that is for Ultimate Python Bootcamp for Data Science and Machine Learning. This course is, as it is mentioned, it's a bootcamp, so it is having large content like 11 sections. It is divided into 11 sections and it is having 103 lectures inside this course. And this course content is having more than 15 plus hours. So it's a good way to learn from the scratch. Yes, next course is about machine learning from basic to advanced. So if you just want to start your journey in machine learning, then you can start with this course. It is just a small course of 3 hours, but it is divided very systematically in 15 lectures. Okay. Next course that is for machine learning in you can learn machine learning in 21 days and this course is having 4.5 hours of content which is divided into 7 sections and 21 lectures. Here you can see how it is divided. And the last course we are having that is for 5 real-time use cases using the machine learning. So it's a kind of a hands-on you will get it and you will understand better in terms of use cases. So it will help you in interview as well. This course is having 4 hours of content. It is divided into 6 sections and there are 34 lectures of it. So you can see the content here. Now let's start what you can do. You need to use it. So for the first course, that is for Git and GitHub. The practical course for this one, the coupon code is here. You can see, you can note it down from here, or either if you are interested for this course, just mention in the comment section. So I'll help you with the coupon in comment section right away with the link of this course. So you just need to click on apply. Once you will click on apply, it will be available for free and you can enroll it. It will be with you for lifetime. For the second coupon, you need to come to this page that is for Ultimate Python Bootcamp course. So here you need to apply the coupon code here. You can just note it down this coupon code here or mention just type in the comment section you are interested. So I'll share with you. Just to I need to clarify why I'm doing so because I just want to share these coupons with the needy people. So only if you are interested for this particular course, you just mention the course name and you are interested for that one. Not for all, so others can take the advantage of that one. For the third course, that is machine learning from basic to advanced, you need to come down and this is the coupon code for that one. You just need to apply and it will be available for free. Now let's apply for the next one. This is for learn machine learning in 21 days. You need to click on here and add this coupon code. It will be available for free. You will get the links of these courses from the description, but if you are interested for that particular course, just mention in the comment section. Let's apply for the last one. For the last course, you need to come down here. That is for 5 real-time use cases using machine learning. You need to apply the coupon code here. And now it is free for you. So just grab them as soon as possible. I'll share with you once you will comment on this video. So I hope you find this video helpful and these courses will gonna help you for your learning and for your bright career. So see you in next video for more learning resources that is absolutely free for you. See you in next video. Keep learning.